Could Toncoin be the sleeper giant that takes over crypto in 2025? It's already backed by one of the most used messaging apps in the world, Telegram, and the adoption is ramping up fast. From Telegram NFTs and integrated wallets to a Bitcoin bridge called Teleport. This isn't just another altcoin riding its hype. It's building real tools, onboarding millions of users, and setting up a whole new kind of a crypto ecosystem right inside an app people use daily. And here's the kicker. While the rest of the market is sleeping on it, projects are already shifting over. New DeFi protocols are launching, and even Telegram itself is stacking the pieces to make Ton the native fuel for everything happening on chain. If you're not paying attention to Ton right now, you may miss the train before it leaves the station. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of JRNY TV, where we break down the biggest narratives, trends, and hidden gems in crypto. Today's episode is a deep dive into Toncoin, from its beginnings and explosive Telegram integration to why it could be one of the most powerful projects heading into the next leg of the bull market. Let's waste no more time at all and dive right in. What is Toncoin and how it's tied to Telegram? Toncoin started life as the native token of the Telegram Open Network, acronym TON. The original project was shelved due to regulatory issues, but the community revived it in 2021, making it independent and fully decentralized. Today, Toncoin functions as a layer 1 blockchain with fast transactions, low fees, and smart contract support, all while remaining deeply tied to Telegram's massive user base. That unique linking of token and super app gives Toncoin a head start that few other tokens have. Telegram itself now includes a built-in Ton wallet, letting users send and receive Toncoin directly in chat. No additional downloads, no browser extensions. Crypto is native to the app, which boasts over 800 million monthly active users. That's bigger than Twitter or X and rivaling WhatsApp in daily usage. And all of that traffic can turn Ton into a default payment layer, tipping economy, or NFT platform, simply because millions of users already have access and exposure. The second magic move, projects are already integrating deeper into Telegram. A growing number of dApps are building bots, games, and NFT galleries right into chat. Toncoin is becoming more utility-focused every single day, helping Telegram shift from secure messaging to full Web3 ecosystem. And that kind of organic adoption from tens of millions of users is rare, and often it is only seen in much bigger chains. Lastly, Ton continues to upgrade under the hood. Upgrades like multi-currency gas fees and increasing support for EVM compatibility make it much more attractive to developers. Smart contract deployment options, NFT mining tools, and cross-chain bridges like Bitcoin via Teleport are ramping. In short, Toncoin isn't just a crypto attached to a popular app. It's becoming the digital fuel that powers that app's next evolution. Telegram as a true crypto super app. Telegram isn't just a messaging application. It's turning into a crypto super app with real traction. With over 1 billion monthly active users, it offers native Ton wallets so anyone can send coins in chat with a tap. No extra downloads or extensions needed. That simplicity is wallet magic. Users magically onboard into crypto. It doesn't matter if you're chatting in English or Arabic. Ton transfers just work seamlessly. The NFT world within Telegram is booming. Thanks to Telegram collectible gifts, Ton topped Solana and became the #2 chain by daily NFT volume, only behind Ethereum. Bots like Ton Monsters and Ton Punks let users mint, trade, and showcase NFTs right in chat, and daily volumes are reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's not just an experiment. It's becoming real demand and real engagement. DeFi and mini app growth is following right behind. Ton-based dexes like Stone.fi and game bots like Hamster Combat are drawing serious attention. MaxC's COO recently predicted Ton could become the first everyday blockchain by 2027, thanks to Telegram integration and growing daily users. Projects are actively embedding tools directly into chat, trading, staking, and gaming, all happening without ever leaving the application. This is not hype. Ton daily transaction volume surged from 100,000 to over 1.2 million in a single year, and that TVL topped 350 million. That traction tells a story. Toncoin is not just riding the Telegram wave, it is the wave. If chat becomes the default front end from crypto, Ton is very uniquely positioned to win big. Toncoin Roadmap, token utility, and Teleport Bitcoin. Toncoin isn't just leaning on Telegram's reach. It has its own aggressive roadmap that is in fact turning heads across the crypto industry. In early 2024, the Ton Foundation unveiled plans to expand cross-chain functionality, improve smart contract tooling, and push ecosystem incentives for developers. One of the most bullish signs, Ton's pivot towards zero-knowledge rollups and private smart contracts, which could massively boost scalability and privacy on-chain. These particular upgrades aim to position Ton as a serious contender to Ethereum and Solana in both DeFi and real-world use cases. Utility-wise, Ton has evolved from a simple transaction token to a core asset powering everything from staking and governance to gas fees and NFT minting. Developers are incentivized through the Ton Ecosystem Fund, which crossed $250 million in committed capital. With backing from names like Pantera Capital, users can now stake Ton for validated rewards, use it in mini apps, and trade within Telegram-based DEXs. With the app layer growing daily, Toncoin isn't just a speculative asset. It is becoming an everyday coin for users. One of the biggest recent breakthroughs is Ton Teleport, a cross-chain bridge for Bitcoin. Teleport allows Bitcoin to flow into the Ton ecosystem, unlocking Bitcoin liquidity for use in Telegram native apps. Think wrapped Bitcoin, only faster, native to the Ton architecture and with full-on integration into Telegram's mini app experience. This could be a game changer, bringing one of the largest crypto liquidity pools directly onto Ton without centralized risk. All of this together paints a very bullish picture. With its tight relationship to Telegram, a growing DeFi stack, and real-world integrations like Ton Teleport, this is not just another altcoin hoping for hype. It's a blockchain with a plan, powerful allies, and an ecosystem that could quietly eat up crypto market share over the next 1 to 2 years. Alright, so Toncoin isn't just riding the Telegram wave, it's building its own storm. From its roots as a shelved Telegram project to becoming one of the hottest L1 ecosystems in 2024, Ton has shown what's possible when infrastructure, adoption, and product execution all align. The seamless integration with Telegram's billions of users gives it an edge that no other blockchain really has right now. This isn't just theory anymore, it's a growing reality backed by tools, traction, and serious capital. So we've covered how Toncoin's aggressive roadmap is transforming it into a DeFi and social powerhouse. We looked at Telegram NFTs and why that ecosystem could onboard millions without them even realizing they're interacting with blockchain. And we touched on Ton Teleport, which could unlock billions in Bitcoin liquidity and bring the OG crypto into a faster, more scalable environment. Whether you're bullish on Toncoin long term, or maybe you're just curious about the ecosystem, one thing is clear. Ton is becoming impossible to ignore. If you are already exploring the world of Toncoin, or maybe you're just getting started, now is the time to pay attention. As Telegram continues expanding its Web3 footprint and more users on board without friction, this could be one of the best setups that's heading into the next bull run. The infrastructure is here, the momentum is definitely building, and the next wave of adoption might not come from MetaMask wallets, but rather from a messaging app you already use every single day. That's it for today's breakdown, but if you happen to be new here, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap that little notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. And on the flip side, if you are deep in the trenches of crypto like we are, be sure to join the community of Trade Hero to help you stay ahead of that herd. This is JRNY TV. As always, stay early, stay informed, and we will catch you in the next one.